Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to all of us. We would like to present our project, our design project with the title ID 108 for the ISIEM to 2020. Our title is about the design of mobile and integrated tire repair tools for motorcycle. So we are from the Bina Nusantara University, Faculty of Engineering and graduate study in industrial engineering. We have teams members such as Eben Hazard Tobing, Samdan Wibawa, Yuda Aprilianto, and Taufik Roni Sahroni. So the contents of our project is basically we divided into 4 steps. The first step is the introduction. It's about how do we need to study this kind of project, as well as the objective. And the second one is the method, the design process from the beginning, how to analyze, as well as the conduct the discussion. And the third step is about the result and discussion. We are going to study about how a simulation result can be performed and so on. And last one is the conclusion. So for the introduction, it's about the transportation in Jakarta. Normally, we found that so many kind of motorcycle in Jakarta due to dramatically effort from the application such as mobile application as well as what we call it is startup, right? Gojek, Grab, as well as so many kind of motorcycles involved in order to easy the passenger to move from one destination to another destination. We found that so many kind of ferry of transportation, but however, we found that motorcycle is acceptable for this kind of condition normally in Jakarta due to the traffic jams, crowd, as well as we have rules for the even and odd for the plat number, for the even for the day on even, right? So normally there's strictly area to be crossed by using the vehicle. So that's why the motorcycle is booming in Indonesia. So why we must to study or design the mobile and integrated tire repair tools? So the reason is so many motorcycle in Jakarta, and the reason why is so many movement traffic from one destination to other destination, normally to send the documentation or the package. So there are so many basic reason. The first reason is about the lifetime of tire, because we know that the tire has ability to perform in certain duration time. And the second one is the imbalance in the volume of motorized vehicle itself with the load, lag, and so on. And the third one is the most of the patch worker use the weight for the ball principle. So normally if we get the puncture, so the motorcycles use his motorcycle to the repair tools nearby. So the last one is about the tire leaks when driving. Often sometimes it is possible to get accident due to the high speed and so on. So there is some kind of practical from the motorcycles. So this before the component work not integrated, so it's difficult to find uh, repair tools or repairmen. The second one is the time of tire filling process cannot be predict because so many queue during the replacement or during the service. So the second one is the before the use of product, there is so many kind of constraint to be performed, right? So we find that there is there is possibility to propose the new uh, the tire function. We come out the theory, problem identification, design limitation, define control philosophy, design parameters, as well as the most important part is the material selection in this part, and come out with the uh, simulation. And the basic one is this kind of tools is designed using the PLC, programmable logic controller, using a human machine interface, HMI. So there is a automatic mode and manual mode can be performed in this figure or in this design. But the most important part is safety device equipped with a transmitter sensor. So this is the main component of our design. There is so many kind of electronic heating, air compressor, gensets small, and the last one is a PLC. And we do some the simulation in terms of the input and output, in terms of the energy can be performed in this small kit tools, but it is a function. So this is the list of the materials that we have designed and equipped in the tools. Normally, this kind of materials already existing in the market. So this is a design and innovation our product. So we have small, actually this is the big size, the big picture from the design. This is and we believe that we design equipment or tools which is can be used for the motorcyclists as the spare tools in their motorcycle. So it just in that case, for the motorcycle get a puncture in the during the his or her transportation or driving, so the tools can be performed using the less effort as well as the ergonomic. So the customer rider problems when the tire leaks occur will be quickly solved because due to our small product. Later in the future, this market can be combined with the online or IoT base. It is a possibility to be improved or developed in future using the IoT and AI, artificial intelligence, to be able to know the where consumer, right? So this is could be the potential potential what do you call it, the huge potential work in future due to the so many kind of motorcycles in Jakarta. Thank you very much for listening, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.